Welcome back, everyone. We have come to the end of our lesson. Now, these are the concepts that we have already covered, which is develop a question, collect data, sort or arrange your data. And the terminology that you should remember is the appropriate data collection instrument, the population, sample, reliability, categorical, and numerical data. Right, now you should always remember that when developing a question and choosing data collection instrument, you need to be relevant to the given context and make sure all data is represented on a tally and a frequency table. Now, you have a challenge question here. It says develop a question and 3 sub-questions for the following scenario: the walking distance that the learners travel from home to school. So now with number A, you are to identify the type of data collection instrument you would use, and number B, indicate whether it's a sample or a population could be used. Right, we have come to the end of our lesson for today. I hope you now understand better how to develop a question and sort your data in a tally and a frequency table. Thank you for joining me. I will see you again next time.